Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick mixed vegetables. First, let's gather our ingredients and prepare them for cooking. You'll want to select a variety of your favorite fresh or frozen vegetables, ensuring a colorful and nutritious mix. Chop all your chosen vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly. Have your cooking oil, seasonings, and a large pan ready to begin this simple process. Now let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your harder vegetables first, such as carrots, broccoli florets, or green beans. Sauté these for about 2 to 3 minutes to give them a head start. Then, introduce your softer vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, or mushrooms to the pan. It's time to add some delicious flavor. Season your vegetables with about a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Feel free to incorporate your favorite herbs and spices, such as garlic powder, onion powder, or a pinch of Italian seasoning, to enhance the taste. Stir everything together thoroughly and continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. And just like that, your quick mixed vegetables are ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately as a vibrant and healthy side dish that complements almost any meal. They pair wonderfully with grilled chicken, baked fish, or even a simple rice pilaf. For an extra burst of freshness, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or a squeeze of bright lemon juice. Enjoy your delicious and easy-to-make creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.